Are you looking for a quick way to share information or make announcements about your organization but don't want to create a whole website for it? Well, look no further. With Constant Contact, you can create a landing page that you can design and customize with your specific content and messaging. In this short video, we'll show you how it's done. To get started, click Create and then choose Landing Pages. From there, choose Custom Landing Page. Next, choose a template or choose a blank one to start from scratch. No matter what you select, the layout can be customized to your liking. Once you're in the editor, it's just like editing an email. Drag and drop the different blocks and elements where you want them to display. To edit a section, just click on it and add your content. Click Images to drag in any images you want to show on your landing page. If you want to upload some new ones, just click Upload Images to choose the ones you want to upload. If you want to change the colors and fonts, click Design. From here, you can add a background image and change all of the colors on your landing page. Click Fonts to change the fonts and font colors, and click Button to customize your buttons. When you're finished customizing your landing page, click Publish. Give your landing page a title and make sure to name it something that your contacts will recognize. Next, give your landing page a brief description, keeping in mind how you would describe this page to others. You can also give your landing page a custom URL that will allow you to personalize it and make it more recognizable to your contacts. Click the toggle here if you want to set an expiration date. The default is set to 6 months after the publish date, but you can also set an earlier date if you need to. Lastly, you can add a Facebook Pixel ID or Google Tracking ID to activate Facebook ads and analytics tracking. Click Save and Publish when you're finished. With your page published, it's time to promote it. Share it through an email, post it on social media, or use an Instagram and Facebook ad to drive customers to shop your page. And we'll even track all of your visits, engagement, and desktop or mobile views. And that's how easy it is to create a custom landing page with Constant Contact.